Streaming. Boom. We're live. In URO, looks like we could have a double top, possibly to get to move lower. Not a huge fan of NURO at the moment. I was looking for a little bit more of a pullback, but you know, this large lower wick really just kind of scared me out of there. And so let's see what is going to happen. Again, we have really high volume on this candle here. We came back, retested VWAP. Not too sure what's going to happen at the moment. We had increasing volume. Could just be a pause in the move, but again, I'm not looking to trade that. It's a little choppy. The volume is not the best there. So, all right, we have, what else has volume? NURO has a lot of volume now. SIGA has volume. INDP has volume. So guys, now we have 4 stocks on our watch list that have volume. So let's go ahead and go down the list. We have SIGA Technologies. We have SIGA for the possible. We ripped up to 1007. Over 1007, we have room up to 19 or 1019, and then eventually 11 to 1150. So that's what we're going to be looking for. SIGA. Now with SIGA, we did pull up and gap down. Let's see if it actually respected any of the fib levels. It did. It respected the 61.8 fib level. So let's see if we can get a nice double bottom and maybe possible room higher. Now with SIGA, we are gapping up 21% with 5.4 million in volume, 41 million in float. Has good relative volume, has good float, is gapping up with news. Shares are trading higher after the company announced the FDA approval of the. I'm not even. Okay, so they got FDA approval, so that's great. That's what we have to watch. So SIGA is one of the top stocks we're watching. All right, we also have INDP. INDP, yesterday didn't really do much. We right at close, we shot up, pulled back, and we hit a new high at 360. Now 360 is right above that 50 SMA on the daily. We broke that. Now we are sitting right around $3, or just below $3, I should say. I'm not looking to touch this. If we break below this 200 SMA on the 1 minute. INDP has good volume, an average volume of 40,000, with today trading 5.2 million in volume with 5.6 million in float. So good news, right? Good volume, good high relative volume, good float with news. Shares jump on FDA nod for early stage solid tumor trial. So again, another FDA, very good news. IMAC Holdings. IMAC Holdings. I don't see it on this. I don't see it on the scanners, but has relatively good volume. Let's go ahead and jump over to the hourly and see this volume a little bit better. We can see that we had 2.8 million volume shares traded, and on that day. Yesterday we traded 2.5. And on average, we probably trade. We don't trade too much. So we are on relative volume for IMAC, which is good, which is what we want to see. Don't like that we pulled up to 116 and just gave everything back. I'm not going to trade this below $1. I need this to be above $1 for IMAC. Now, if IMAC can get above $1, we might have room back up to 115, possibly break the high. Now, yesterday, what I don't like is that we ripped up and then got slammed down. You can see that we absolutely. Wait, did we open? Yeah, so we still closed green, but we ripped up and then just got slammed. So let's see if this can possibly be another. If we can get another move back up to 116, possibly. We'll have to see with IMAC. Holdings 13G filing from notable investor shows new 5.23 stake in company. So again, there's good news as well. INDP. There's nothing else that has volume. We have NURO currently possibly flagging. NURO possibly flagging here. We had nice. I'm going in here. I'm risking 9 cents. In NURO. Let's see some volume start to step in here. I like the volume starting to step in, but I want to see it break above this. Don't want to see it start to dip. We have that increasing volume. Don't want to see dip below VWAP. If we see dip below VWAP, I'm probably going to cut this. Let's see if this starts to break. We have very light volume in this candle. I'm gonna let this breathe. My stops are at 31. I'm risking 9 cents. Looking for this to come all the way back up to 460. Break over 460. Next target is gonna be $5, I believe. We are getting some volume though. Hopefully this doesn't start to. I want to see this start to rebound. Don't want to see this below. I'm out. Took a small loss of $9. So it's all good. Just a nice quick. We're seeing if we can crack, but we obviously didn't get the volume. That high volume in this candle, just that's probably what scared us out. Just got selling pressure, and we pushed up, hit with more selling. Looking to trade tonight. I was looking for the anticipation move when I should have been just reacting. So Amazon, let's go ahead and look at Amazon real quick. Amazon on the daily has a huge gap to fill at 28.35. Man, Amazon's been just going low. What's going on? Amazon really overextended. I think we break 2,000. We are probably gonna see 1641 for Amazon. Break that, we're going to see 1,500 and then eventually 1,300 for Amazon. Now, on the 4-hour chart, it looks like we are overextended. We are getting some volume coming in, but again, I want to see a bounce off this 2850 level, a nice double bottom, a possible break over the 50 SMA, room to touch that 200 SMA for a nice retest here. See, we are very overextended from that 200 SMA, and usually we see a nice, we could see a nice pop right back up to it. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a nice fake out, break below the low, possibly to see room up to the 200 SMA. I mean, we need to see the 200 SMA. We are overextended. Could see a double bottom. But I do want to see us come back and touch the 200 SMA. Wow. Wow. What is that? That's unfortunate. NURO comes down, stops me out, and then just rips up. All right. Gosh, I don't see any volume. Oh, man. I'm done with NURO at the moment. I traded it. Faked me out. False VWAP break. I'm done with it. God, that VWAP false breakout. What a... Just looking to stop people out. Wow. Hmm. RSI divergence on the... That's on the 1 minute, though. All right, we have 3 minutes and 20 seconds left until market open. Let's get ready to rumble, traders. Let's get ready to rumble. All right. This week so far, I am down around $60. Woo, woo, woo. That's what I'm talking about. Don't you guys just love it? It's all good though. We're here for the long term. Again, since we are here for the long term, let's go ahead and cover some trading rules. just trading in general. You have to believe you are consistent. I am consistent. You are consistent. Once you find that strategy, come consistent with that strategy. Remember, everything is random in the market, so we have no idea what's going to happen. It's never risk more than 3%, and it's okay not to trade. Cash is a position. Always use a hard stop in place. I will always have 3 reasons to jump into every single trade. Why was I looking to jump into this NURO trade? Go and look. I was looking to jump in for the nice bounce off VWAP. Let me go ahead and move this out. Again, my trend line, I was looking for a nice bull flag, bounce off VWAP, bounce off the 9 EMA. There's 3 reasons right there. Just didn't get the move. I barely missed it too. So always have consistent position sizing. Again, our goal is just $40. That's our goal per trade. $40. If we don't, I mean, this is on 935. Yeah, our goal is $30 per trade. $40 per trade, excuse me. So if we how high? $40 per trade. You will have losing streaks. Trading is a business. Take each trade like it's logged inside. Well, in DRA. Again, nothing. Take each trade seriously. All right, we're coming down. Let's see a nice washout long from NURO. Looking to take around 200 shares on this position. Looking for around 20 cents. Just looking for it to get back. Maybe wash out onto 450 with room back up to around 470. That's going to be the goal. Risking the max of 40 cents or risking 20 cents or 10 cents in order to gain we have IMAC getting some volume right out of the gate, or right before the gate. 30 seconds left. Let's see what this does. I want to see a washout from NURO down to 450. A nice wash back to 470. Break over the high and possibly rip up to $55. So let's see what happens here. In NURO, we might see some profit taking. We're now above some key levels. I want to see a washout down to 450. We have a lot of support. We have 10 seconds left, but look at this support at 450. Boom, or resistance. Boom, 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 boom. So let's see if it can turn into some support. Let's look for. Oh man, I don't have this. Let's see if I can get. Let's see a nice quick washout. I want to see a quick washout down to 450. I want to see a quick washout down to 450. Not seeing the washout. No! What? I moved it up to 452. I'm getting out. Sorry. I didn't want to. I'm not catching that. After we didn't see that movement there, I was at 452. It's all good. There's a nice double bottom. Yep, didn't trust it. Want it to continue to come down. Nice washout off VWAP there. That would have been a perfect entry. Not seeing that volume though. So let's see what happens here. Let's see if the order book can switch bullish. That would have been a perfect trade off 50. Nice up, up 10 cents or so, but let's see what happens here. The washout would have worked. Looks like we possibly could squeeze here. Let's see what IMAC is doing. Is there anything else? NURO, XDC, SZEAL, ZEAL. INDP, INO. Looks like we're going to crack this. Yep, there's the crack. We have some RSI divergence. That's one reasons why. Give us a good indication. What about there's no volume on SXTC. Jesus, what's going on with the SPY? In one candle, we're moving like 2 points. About to be 3 points. God damn, SPY. What's going on? Oh, we have iMac moving. We do have slight RSI divergence on iMac. Not the best. That's not what I want to see. What's your watch for under $1? iMac, like IMAC. That's one that I'm watching. It's at 101 right now. That's the only one on my watch list that I'm watching that's under $1. We have the SPY that's ripping up. That's still moving. What is this? Oh my God. What is this, SPY? Jesus. We have some RSI divergence here. I might look to buy some puts at this moment. This thing is still ripping up. Looking for it to come back and just get rejected off the close. Let's see it come up into this area, and then I'm looking to buy some puts. SIGA ripping up to $9. There's Josh. He's got it. Jesus. What is what? I don't understand what's going on with the SPY. We're just absolutely mooning. Got in at 12 at 252. Let's see a quick pullback. Don't want to see this down. This is going to move pretty quick. I think this is we're going to see this continue possibly. Losing some steam. There we go. Let's see some puts. Let's see this start to dump. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh yeah, guys, just got some SPY puts. There it is, guys. I just bought some SPY puts, made $26 on that. Very, very easy, very quick. Probably cut it a little bit too early, but all I was looking here was a nice rejection off yesterday's close. That's all I was looking for. Again, I only got 36 bucks, but that's fine. That's all I need. If I held it, nice pivot low, increasing volume. I could be looking for a nice short here. It would have been, I could have held my short a lot longer, but I just wasn't confident in it. I was making sure, I thought we might see a bounce off this level. I do want to see another stab, another try at this area to see if we can actually break through it. Because if we can't, I'm gonna be looking to take some shorts or puts. I think we're going to come back and retest this area. I want to see us pull back and kind of test VWAP a little bit. Again, I think VWAP's going to kind of push up a little bit. But we do have some we probably will have some volume coming in off the 200 SMA on the 5 minute. So let's go ahead and switch our thing to calls. So there it is. Maybe look for some calls real quick. Look for a quick pullback here. Very light volume. Thinking up to 91 possibly. Looking for a nice quick move lower. VWAP here, very light volume. Got in. Oh, trying to catch a falling knife. Not the best. 304, got in at 304. I want to see some volume start to come in. If we don't see volume off VWAP, looking to cut it here pretty quick. Want to see rejection. Here we go. Want to see some volume coming in. I want to come up and have it retest this area at 390. 390, it doesn't look like it wants to. There's a big... Get back up into this area. I'll take it there. I'll take a small loss. Gonna look what's going on. Man, if I held those puts, oh my gosh. I think it was 388 or 389. I'm not too sure what I was trading. What was I trading? SPY. First one I traded was puts, 388 puts. Yeah, that would have been $100 right there, easy. But you know, wasn't able to, so I didn't trust it. I saw I mean, I really didn't have a reason to not trust it. I knew it was going to come pull back into this area. Should have just let it be. DPSI halted. DPSI halted to the upside. This thing... Don't see much news. Yeah, I bought this down at... Man, that would have been over 100% profit. That is unfortunate, but you know, I didn't sell. Wow. All right, let's see. Boom. Oh man. No way. I want to see a false breakout. Very light volume. Still a very light volume. Gonna get rejected. Hopefully we get rejected here. Let's see it come back. I'm short on the SPY. Want to see it drop below VWAP here. I want to see it drop VWAP. I don't have to cut it if we don't see it start dropping below VWAP. There it is. Let's see. I want to see the seller start to take this. We're back below VWAP here. I want to see this start to dip. I want to see this start to dip. Here we go. There it is. Start to dip. There it is. There it is. Looking for a low a day. Looking for a low a day. I had to sell. I sold for a small loss. I didn't trust it. I mean, I had no reason to not. Oh yeah, he's on the Qs. The Qs look bullish, in my opinion. I could have made some money, but you know, I just didn't trust it. It doesn't look like super bullish. It doesn't look super strong. The upside. I mean, I was doing puts and there I was afraid of this. There's the retest of VWAP. No way it's gonna break over this high. No way we see it break over that high. No way. I'm glad I cut it. I'm glad I cut it there. Guys, I am done for the day. What trading platform is this? This is TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. Made a total of $1 fucking dollar. $1. There's absolutely no volume. Coming in at 391. No, okay. Did I get it at 126? That was not the ideal entry point here. That was definitely not the ideal entry point, but we're in. We're in on some puts at 126. We have some stopping volume. We want to see a rejection back down to 380.89. We want to see a rejection down to 389. Yep, I'm done as well. Hakel, why do you use white candles? Tech for beginners. Oh, hey, you were just in Josh's stream. Yeah, so I actually just cut. I'm done for the day. But I have white candles on. You can see on all of my charts, all white except for this one down here. And I have that one not white because I was too lazy to change it. I already changed everything, set my workspace. But all right, yeah, I have white candles just because it almost helps identify. I'm not really focusing on green, red. I'm not focusing on buying, but I'm focusing on the like actual movement of that stock. So it's just a little bit of psychology. And I'm actually done for the day. Give me 1 second. I can go ahead and explain what I did. I had trade on NURO. I was looking for this flag break, and it did break, but you know my stops were below. My stops were, it was like this, and my stops were below VWAP here. We can see that we actually cracked VWAP, and I got stopped out here, and then we ripped up. So that's unfortunate for NURO. And then I was also trading the SPY today. Where is it? I don't want the SPY on the 1 minute. I want the SPY. Yeah. So anyways, today I was trading the SPY. I picked it. I literally on the dot bought puts at 391.8 and bought puts. I only held it down to where is it? I only held it down to here though, which is fucking absurd. I'm not used to options, and I was trading options today, and I bought it literally right at the peak, pulled back. This is at 38 or 37 monitor. Buy to open. No, here we go. At 38, put at 937. So at 937, literally right on this candle, at the end of this candle, I bought and caught the whole move, caught this whole candle move lower, but I should have held, just kept it going lower. And also I bought some puts here as well because I saw some stopping volume coming into this area. I sold that in here for a small win when I could have made 20 bucks or whatever it was. It was very small. I'm learning as much as I can from the best. You and Josh, there's so many things that I have to understand. Yeah. I'm fully transparent on everything. I'm trying to work towards also being like Josh. I only have a certain amount of capital. I believe it's around $3,000 in my account. Trade every single day, just trying to build that confidence, build that consistency. So I'm always transparent with you. And today I am up $9. $9, not the best. I'm down overall this month, which is okay. I understand why. I'm not really following my strategies. I'm being sloppy with my trading, I should say. So next month, at the end of this month, I'm looking to close strong. Next month, I'm looking to do the same. Or next month, I'm looking to do better. Yeah, learn it as much as you can. That's all it really is. There's a lot of a learning curve. I mean, I think once you start really like logging your trades, really looking at the statistics of it, then it's like a 6-month period. I feel like I'm working on opening the accounts. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard getting that consistency down, and that's the one. Well, we had a SPY double top, and of course that thing's ripping. That thing's ripping. I bought it like 123. Now it's at 156. Bought this option. This is an option price, so you can see it's the option. It's not a stock. But yeah, I bought in right down in here. Now it's at 64. If we go in and actually look here, SPY. This is what I was trading SPY. The 5 minute, we can see. Yeah, what I really noticed to catch this right now, I'm doing paper trading and learning new words like puts. Don't have a clue what it is. Okay, awesome. Yeah, paper trading's the best. I paper traded for around 6 months. What I can do actually for you is go ahead and give you a resource that I used to log my trades. Give me 1 sec. Maybe it's in this one. See? Maybe I have way too beginner's guide to trading stocks. Here we go. All right, trading log. So if you're in paper trading, I made this. It's very simple. Trade 1, stock, strategy used, successful, entry, stop loss, TP, number of shares again per trade. Wait, what I really like about you guys is there's no small gain when a learning process is the real win-win. I'm confused. Small. Yeah, so if you are interested in this, I can also give you my. I haven't used these in forever, but I would be down to give them out if you would use them. This is a day trading business plan, strategies, fallen angel, indicators, float, time frame, stop, average volume, take profit, entry, exit, VWAP false breakouts, bull flag, bear flag, opening range breakouts. Yeah, so it tells you. Then it comes down time frame for each strategy, open range breakout, bull flag, bear flag, both ABCs. That's ABC up, ABC down. So late morning. These are some scanners. 2% change from close. I'm actually going to move this to 15% change from close, or plus 15%. Average volume of 1 million. ATR, we don't need to worry about ATR. Whoa. I made this a long time ago. Last time I made was April 26th, 2021. So that was over a year ago that I made that I made corrections to this. It's been over a year. That's crazy since I've started. Yeah, so if you are interested in any of these tools, let me know and I can what is this? A power washing letter? Oh. SPY's looking kind of bullish. Or bearish. This could be a bear flag. Let's go ahead and switch this over to the hourly. See if we can see anything better. I don't see anything. We are pretty not super overextended on the hourly, but the 4 hour, pretty overextended. Came back, tested it. So let's go ahead and move this back up. Of course, I would really appreciate it. Awesome. Let me go ahead and get that up for you. Day trading, and then there was also all right. So we got trading log, share. Anybody in the internet with this link can comment. Copy link. All right. So this is the trade log. And this is the day trading business plan. Anyone on the internet with this link can view it, copy. And now these are only for educational purposes only. It's just the structure. It does not tell you where the market's going to go. but I do want to go over Andrew's rules of trading. Day trading is not a strategy to get rich quick. Day trading is not easy. It is serious business and you should treat it as such. Day traders do not hold positions overnight. If necessary, you must sell the loss to make sure you do not hold onto any stock overnight. Always ask, is this a stock moving because the overall market is moving, or is it moving because of a unique fundamental catalyst? Success in day trading comes from risk management, finding low risk entries with high potential rewards. The minimum win to lose ratio for me is 2 to 1. Your broker will buy and sell stocks for you at the exchange. Your only job as a day trader is to manage your risk. You cannot be a successful day trader without excellent risk management skills. Even if you are the master of many effective strategies, retail traders trade only stocks in play. High relative volume stocks that have fundamental catalysts that are being traded regardless of the overall market. Experienced traders are like guerrilla soldiers. They jump out just the right time, take their profit, and get out. Hollow candlesticks where the close is greater than the open. Hollow candlesticks where the indicate buying pressure, where the close is above the open. Is greater when the close is greater than the open. That just means a red candle. Indicate buying pressure. Filled candlesticks where the close is less than open. Oh shit, I just macked you. So that's obviously number 9 doesn't make sense. Profitable trading does not involve emotion. If you are an emotional trader, you will spies breaking to the upside. Spies breaking to the upside. I repeat, the spies breaking to the upside. Looking for some calls. Looking for some calls. Well, I'm done for the day. Thanks for the docs. I'll review them to be more focused and have better strategies. Yes. Now, out of those strategies, out of the falling wedge, or here, I'm going to go ahead and pull up the business plan. So again, you have the fallen angel, false breakout. Where is it? People false breakout, people reversals. I really only use the bull flag out of this. This is just a bunch of strategies that I got from these 2 books. How to Day Trade for a Living by Andrew Ziz. I don't even know how to say that. By Andrew Aziz, A-Z-I-Z, in Advanced Techniques for Day Trading. So both those books are based around these. That business plan is based around both these books. So, and then the trade log, again, I used it. Not super efficient, but I mean, you never know. So, I'm glad I was able to provide some value to you. And if you ever become an alpha member, you should use my link for 50%, or not, so I can get not even 50%. I don't know what I was saying. Can you please write them down for me? Yes, I can. So How to Day Trade for a Living is the first book, and the second book is Advanced Tech. Advanced Techniques in Day Trading. What are you saying about the membership? If you ever want to join Alpha, you should do it through my link. It helps me out. I believe I get 22% commission if you ever decide to join. So yeah, if you ever, it's not any cost for you. It just helps me out as a creator. Advantages, techniques, and day trading. Again, Advanced Techniques in Day Trading. Both of these are by Andrew. Of course, awesome. Thank you. Andrew A-Z-I-Z. Boom. Those are the 2 books, and that's who it's by. And there's one more book that I want to show you. Oh, we have 9 people in here too. Sorry, I haven't been focusing on this. Give me a sec. Is this crypto or stocks? This is stocks. This is a trading platform. This is TD Ameritrade Think or Swim. I'm done for the day. I'm just talking with the community. Are you learning to day trade or teaching? I'm doing a little bit of both. I'm doing myself, and then I'm teaching what I already know. And like, obviously, because I know very well technical analysis, very well. The only thing that I have a problem with is understanding my emotions. So, and bounce off of that, there are a couple books here. So again, there's Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. This is great. Very, very. I'm gonna write this down too. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. The great book, talks about psychology, and what I really like about it is that it has like a quiz before the book and has that same quiz after the book, and it allows you to understand how much your mind has changed. The code for alpha is permanent or your code changes. No, so here, if you actually just what you could do, give me one sec. Whoa. It's just a link. You go through my link, and then you'll be able to. Right here. You ever visit Alpha? I mean, you could, if you go and click there and go visit Alpha for like 5-10 seconds, not even, will automatically remember. And then whenever you come back, we'll be able to get some. And you don't have to use that link when you come back. Our website already knows that you can go through my affiliate link. So again, Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas, very good book. I'm actually probably going to reread this, just because that's how good it is. It looks like the SPY here is actually coming down for a nice potential cup and handle. I don't like that we're getting rejected here, so it's a little bit more choppier in my opinion. So I think I'm gonna just stay away from it at the moment. Then we have the final book, and in my opinion, the best book. But you have to read the other books to really understand and get the value from this book. A Complete Guide to Volume Price Analysis by Anna Colling. This is a great book. It shows you basically inside of the market. And to give you an example, let's go ahead and go over the SPY. I mean, why not go over the SPY on the 3-minute here? Go to the 3 minutes. All right, so it's a little, I know it's a little, it looks weird. But again, let's go ahead and go over this. Open, very strong volume push up, break over these misprints. We see again decreasing volume. So there's the first sign that this trend is not strong. Then we see an increasing volume with a shooting star. Since we have an increasing volume with a smaller spread, the spread is from the open to the close. From the open to the close here, since we have an increasing volume, we should have a higher spread than the previous candle, but that's not the case. We have an upper wick, low spread with high volume. That is indicating selling. Nice indecision again, light volume. Boom, selling, confirmed. Now, what I don't like and what doesn't validate this trend lower is that we have lighter volume. Since we have lighter volume than the previous candle, and we can see that the previous candle's spread was very, very small, this candle has a very large spread to the downside with lighter volume. That's telling me that this trend to the downside is not super strong, and it's an anomaly, so be careful. Awesome. We also have, boom, increasing volume, low spread. This is what's called a stopping volume. Stopping volume is when we have an increasing volume with a smaller spread. That's indicating a possible reversal. Boom, there's the sign of a green there's the sign of buying pressure off that stopping volume. And let's see if we can get above this high. Boom, nice increase, break up the high, close above 20. Again, this is not super high volume, so it's not a super strong trend. That was confirmed by the selling pressure. Selling pressure pulls back, comes back and retests this area. It's rejected, very light volume. We could have more room higher. Again, boom, there's a nice pop again. Break above. Again, increasing in volume, nothing crazy. Confirm selling, light selling, nice. Get absorbed by buyers off the 200 SMA. So yeah, that's why I really like volume price analysis, is because it gives you a little bit more in depth of a view on the overall market. So yeah, and also thank you, Tech for Beginners. It's set. I can see that there have been a click. I don't know on my link. I don't know if it's you or if it's someone else, but yeah, thank you. That's all. I mean, if you ever sign up for the membership on any package, use this link. No, you don't have to use that link. You don't have to use that link. Now, if you ever want to sign up for alpha day trading, you can just go to their website. Our system already knows, since you came through that link, that you'll be up. It just helps me out. And then if we come in on a special, I'm sure you're in chat on alpha. I'm sure that if you're patient just a little bit, hey, thank you for the. Oh wait, no, I don't think so. Yeah, I'm sure if you're patient, you'll be able to catch a nice discount code, because I'm sure Josh loves giving out discount codes. We know it. We know it. It just happens. He loves doing it. So whenever he gives one out, and whenever you're ready, you can just come on over to alpha. If you decide to choose alpha, again, if it's alpha's not right for you, alpha's not right for you. I don't think you should choose alpha if you don't think that. If you don't think alpha is going to help you, don't join alpha. You think we are? I mean, if you have any questions about it or anything, yeah, thank you so much. I'm glad I was able to provide something. I need to be on this. I've been working and saying for about a year now, talking in crypto, and definitely been thinking you've been options trading for around 2 years now. That's awesome. Options trading for around 2 years now. I'm not too much of a options trader myself. I was trading options today, dabbling in it on the SPY. Made like nothing crazy, $9, something very small. Took a couple scalps, puts and calls mix. Nothing. I usually stick with equities. I've been trading for around. I've been trading. Well, technically, I've been trading since the beginning of summer in 2019, but I haven't started day trading necessarily, like actually getting into it, reading books, logging it, sitting here with 4 screens, actually being in the market. That I started actually around March of last year. That is when I first jumped into my first simulator account. I traded for around 6 months in the simulator account, and then I jumped into the real markets in August of last year. So August, September, November, December, January, February, March, April. So around 9.5 months that I've been actually trading. And I've had, which again, I'm being fully transparent with you guys, because I'm going to take you guys through it, through my journey, through my process of becoming a profitable trader, because I'm not going to give up on this. So let's go ahead and go over my 3-month now. All right. So, are you doing this for a living yet? Yeah. So I'm. I don't have another job besides this. I do this, and then I help alpha day trading on the side. Again, I'll get a small commission from whoever decides to use my link. I will also help them with thumbnails, editing videos, helping with social media, helping with people, help with customer support. So I'm overall helping alpha become a moderator in chat, just being in chat, because although I'm not like crazy, this is my P&L. So March I made 100, April lost 38, and then I'm down 111 this month. So again, I'm not too bad, I think, but it's all about my emotions. That's what I'm really having problems with. It's not TA. It's not looking at the mark. It's the oh man, those puts would have printed coming off that area. So yeah, no, I trade crypto. Now I don't really trade crypto too much. One thing that I do trade a lot, well, I only trade equities. Now I invest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is what I invest in. I don't have any long term plays in the stock market. So what I also suggest that you do is also log your trades in paragraph form. Just start logging your trades in paragraph form, and you will see some more consistent winners, I think. I need to start getting back into these long ass paragraphs. All mine are pretty short now. So, all right, well, I think I'm done for the day. Thank you so much for stopping in. I will see you bright and early tomorrow morning if you stop in, or if you stop in on Alpha stream, I'll probably see you there. I'm gonna be moderating it there. Hopefully, I was able to get you yes, a lot to digest. Now, no, thank you for stopping in. If you again, if you need any help, any questions at all, I know Josh gets a lot of questions. And if he doesn't answer it, I'll be more than happy to answer him because I get a lot less traffic, and I'll answer it to the best of my ability. So, thank you guys for stopping in. I'll see you whenever. So, have a good one.